Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Start with the dough. In this video, I will show how to make churro donuts. First, combine water, butter, a pinch of sugar, and a dash of salt in a saucepan. Bring this mixture to a rolling boil, then take it off the heat. Quickly stir in your flour until a smooth dough ball forms. Finally, beat in eggs one at a time until the dough is perfectly smooth and ready. Now, let's get those churro donuts shaped. Transfer your warm dough into a piping bag fitted with a star-shaped nozzle. This gives them that authentic churro look. Carefully pipe the dough into donut shapes onto squares of parchment paper. Try to make them a consistent size, about 3 inches in diameter, so they cook evenly and beautifully. It's time to fry. Heat about 2 inches of vegetable oil in a deep pot to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Gently drop your shaped donuts, still on their parchment squares, into the hot oil. The parchment will release quickly. Fry them for about 2 to 3 minutes per side until they are a beautiful golden brown. Use a slotted spoon to remove them and let excess oil drain. Almost done. While your churro donuts are still warm, prepare a shallow dish with a mixture of granulated sugar and ground cinnamon. Roll each fried donut thoroughly in this sweet, spiced coating, ensuring every surface is covered. This step is crucial for that classic churro flavor. Serve them immediately with your favorite dipping sauce, like chocolate or dulce de leche. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.